How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So glad each and every one of you can make it. Today we're going to discuss these at 12:30 in the morning. So let's get to it. Again, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So glad each and every one of you are here. Now, I picked these up in a pig hunt video where I went to Target, Ollie's, and Hobby Lobby. There were two for $3, $2.99. So, you know, you add in Uncle Sam, it's going to be a little bit more. But these first started showing up on Facebook and Instagram, and come to find out they was getting them through Amazon. They were getting off sites like Temu and AliExpress. And basically all it is a plastic frame that has a elasticized plastic in it. As you can see, as I push on it, it has a lot of give to it. A lot of give. I mean, look at that. And it comes with a base. So let's take it apart. There's a recess right there that says push. You basically just push down on it. It pops right open. It only goes to about a 90 degrees, just a little bit further. As you can see, it's got a lot of give to it. I mean, a lot of give. So, I actually just did a short video on these where I put them up there because you can see my hot heap right there. My first Sweet 16. And that's the reason for the delay in these videos, because I was like, what cards do I want to put in them? You know, I only have two. I want it to be something that I want to, my mind started working. I want it to be something I want to protect. And that was sent to me by a great channel supporter. Well, actually a double great channel supporter. But anyhow, that's a whole different story. And I was like, what else do I want to put in it? Because I want to protect that one because I redid it. It came, you know, in typical fashion, no seat, no glass. So I redid that. And then I was like, well, this is a no-brainer. Let's do the one that started the channel. For you guys that are new, you don't know what it is, but it shouldn't be hard to figure it out. So let me get you turned around, set up, and we will put one in here. As I said, it comes with a base. Here's what the base looks like. You can see that it's cut at an angle. So there's only one way this will go in. You just stick it down in there like that and it will freestand. But, I mean, if you had something that was pretty sturdy and you just wanted to do it flat, you know, you can. Also with this, I'll use this car body that I have over here for demonstrations. You know, it's wide enough to where you can go across this way for most cars. You can do it like that, which I think looks better because when you put it in the corner, it's actually going straight across. There's just so many great ways you can do it. Some I have seen on advertisement, I haven't tried it. Goes straight like this. And you can see it's got a lot of give. If you push that through all the way, it will look like the car's literally jumping through the frame. Now, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to mess it up. But with that stated, the card that I have decided to put in this one is the one that started my channel. And you guys know I am a Camaro guy. Well, one day I was talking to the wife. I didn't even have a collection at that time. The only cars that I had was the Snake and Mongoose haulers. I just walked in Walmart one day, cut through the toy section, didn't even look at the Hot Wheels or anything, and saw the two hauler sets sitting down on the shelf. I walked up, I looked at them. They were only 15 bucks a piece. And back then that was pretty expensive, kind of like, you know, $20 is today. When you go over and you see a hauler set, because two of them, you know, you're sitting there spending 30 bucks. Today you buy 2 of them, you're spending $40, half a C note. But anyhow, so I told the wife I was just going to do Camaros, and that's really all that I do. But I have started picking up a lot of different ones for customs and whatnot. But anyhow, this was in rough shape when I got it. If you care to go back and watch the video, I'll try to remember to put the video down below in the description so you can see the actual car that started my channel, what it looked like before, and here's what it looked like after. I mean, I really am pleased with the way it turned out. Really pleased. And as you can see, it does not have that big hump in the back that so many others have whenever people customize them. And the reason that it has that hump, I'll just go ahead and tell you now. When people drill it out, bloop, 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 they're putting so much force on that, and this metal is so soft it pushes out the middle. So whenever I do it, I actually have a piece of wood, or I'll put it on like the 4x4 outside or something, and let the spoiler be over the edge, or in the case of my frame that I have, I'll let the spoiler be in the cutout of the wood. And see, that supports the back of the car, the trunk area. But that's a different story. This is the car I decided to put in and protect, because like I said, this is the one that started my channel. So this is all you have to do. And like I said, I'm going to go crossways like I showed you. Basically, you just set it in there. You see, it tends to want to tilt just a little bit. All you do is you tilt it down. Get a little bit of pressure on it that way. And you can kind of put a little bit of tension on it and hold it. If you don't like it, loosen up just a little bit and move it. Get it to where you want it. And you just lock it down. I see it's kind of leaning a little bit to the front, but I am actually okay with that. Because when you put it in here, that's how it's going to look. You can see more of the car rather than being straight on. Without having that little bit of a gangster lean to it, you can see more of the car. But look how good that looks. And that's about level right there, and you can see. Rather than it looking like that, it looks like that. I think that just looks more gooder. And it will be going up there with the other one. But I just wanted to, I'll put them up there, and I was like, oh man, I need to make a video on that because a lot of people have been asking. Well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you can find some. Like I said, I got mine at Hobby Lobby. I know you can find them online. Cheaper, probably. Probably get like 6 of them for $9 or something like that. I forget the exact cost. But they're not expensive at all, and they are well worth it. Like, the only thing I wish, you know, they've got the picture frames that have the different sizes. I wish they'd make a bigger one with different sizes of these picture frame wise in there. You know, you just pop the front off of it, stick it in. Either that or make it to where you can connect these, like those containers up there, if I get my finger to work right. You know, they have the little male and female fittings. Oh, I shouldn't say that. What's a male? What's a female? Yeah, got those fittings on there where you can snap them together and it holds them. I think it would be cool to have a whole wall full of them going different ways. Or not a whole wall, but a whole section of them going all kind of different ways. But with that stated, get out there and hunt, because if you don't hunt, you will not find these. Unless you go on the computer and hunt that way. The new American way. But until next time, we'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.